Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the Dodge tool and the Burn tool to produce tonal adjustments in an image. You can use the Dodge tool to lighten an area in the image, and you can use the Burn tool to darken an image area. To use these tools, select the tool that you want to use from the Toolbox and Tool Options bar. They share a spot on the toolbox with the Sponge tool. In the Tool Options bar, then set your brush options, and then use the Range drop-down to select what to change in the image. Midtones to change the middle range of grays, shadows to change the dark areas, or highlights to change the light areas. Then use the exposure slider to set the intensity of the effect. To then apply the effect, click and drag over the part of the image that you want to modify.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.